Flying a plane is serious business. Pilots need to know where they are at all times. This is super important for safety. One of the key skills is knowing which airport is which from the air. Pilots can't just rely on GPS. Sometimes technology fails, or there might be other problems. That's why they learn to recognize airports with their own eyes. The most obvious clue is the runway layout. Runways are like long roads for planes. They have numbers and markings that make them unique. Pilots study these layouts so they can quickly identify an airport. Another clue is the surrounding area. Is the airport near a city, mountains, or water? All these things help pilots figure out where they are. Sometimes there are special landmarks near airports. These can be very helpful for pilots. It might be a famous bridge, a big stadium, or even a distinctive mountain peak. I remember one time I was flying into a new city. I wasn't sure which airport it was at first. Then I saw a big, bright Ferris wheel right next to the runway. It was a funny landmark, but it helped me know exactly where I was. Next time you're on a plane, take a look out the window. Can you guess which airport you're approaching? Pay attention to the runways, the surrounding geography, and any landmarks. It's like a fun puzzle, and it helps you understand how pilots navigate the skies. Happy travel.